Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a repeater to your Wix website, starting with your Wix page open in the editor. Look for the registration designated as the Add Elements icon. It is usually located on the menu towards the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. Now, your task is to locate the right category for what we want to do soon. If you are using the classic editor, search for a category called Lists. However, if you are working with the Studio editor, your target should be Layout Tools. Every interface for each user is unique. If you're unsure which editor you're using, don't worry. The process for adding repeaters is quite similar in both versions, but the layout and location of tools may slightly differ. If you're new to Wix or have just switched editors, it may take a little time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Once the right category is navigated, you want to search for and select the term repeaters. The repeaters can look different according to the preset design options. You will have plenty of design flexibility later, so just pick the one that fits with your page design currently. Choosing a repeater with a layout that already matches the overall style of your site can save you time during the customization process. However, don't hesitate to experiment with different designs if you want to see which looks best with your content. The next stage involves selecting and dragging your desired repeater onto your web page. Use your mouse to click and grab the repeater, then release it in the location that suits your design. Once placed, you can select your repeater for further options to adjust the layout, including spacing and margins. Look for the tool labeled Settings and make your adjustments. Further customizing. When customizing your repeater, make sure to adjust the spacing and margins between items. This helps ensure content looks well organized and easy to read. You want your site visitors to have a smooth and pleasant experience while navigating your page. The visual appearance of your repeater can be achieved using the Design tool. You have the option to change a suite of design elements, such as fonts, colors, and corner radius, to match your site's current aesthetic. If you're unsure about which fonts or color schemes to use, consider sticking to your website's branding guidelines for consistency. If you don't have a specific style in mind, tools like Wix's color palette generator can help you pick colors that work well together. To add items to your repeater, click any items such as text, images, buttons, and drag them onto the repeater. Remember, these elements will be automatically added to all repeater items, which helps create a consistent design across all your web page content. Advanced tip. If you have a blog or product listings, repeaters are fantastic for displaying content in a dynamic and scalable way. For example, you can create a product catalog that automatically updates when you add new items, saving you time in the long run. Now, for managing the content on your repeaters, select the repeater again on your page, and then click on Manage Items. This feature allows you to add, delete, or duplicate individual items within your repeater. Each individual item's content can be edited as per your necessity. If you have multiple repeater items with similar content, consider duplicating items to save time. This way, you only need to make minimal edits, speeding up the process and ensuring consistency across your content. By following these step-by-step instructions, you will be able to effectively integrate a repeater into your Wix website, making your web content not only engaging, but also consistent across various aspects of your site. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.